This is our cordless chainsaw, designed for precision, efficiency, and ease of use. Perfect for homeowners, gardeners, and DIY. 12 inches guide bar approximately 30 centimeters and a high-performance chain. With its tool-free adjustment system, turn the dial to tighten or loosen the chain effortlessly. The chain tension can be adjusted quickly. Automatic oiling system keeps the chain, reducing wear and increasing durability. Each battery includes an intuitive power indicator with levels at 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100%. The recoil brake system stops the chain immediately in the event of a malfunction. Powered by a brushless motor with more efficiency, the rubberized grip design reduces hand fatigue. This product is a good choice for those who invest in a 20 volts maximum battery platform. No noise like an engine, no waste, no all-gas mixing, easy to start. Just install the battery, add lubricant and start working. A single battery from you is compatible with all your cordless tools. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our website at www.cnuwe.com for more information.